We'll guide you through how to make Zig Zag Pattern in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Adobe Illustrator. Go to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click File, then choose New from the drop-down options. A setup window will appear where you can select your preferred preset size for the canvas. After choosing the size you want, click Create to open the new workspace and start the project. Next, locate the line tool on the toolbar, usually displayed on the left side of the screen. Move to the canvas area and hold the Shift key while dragging your cursor to draw a perfectly straight line. Once the line appears, adjust its thickness using the stroke controls found on the right panel. You can also change the line color if you want to customize the appearance before continuing. After setting up the first line, copy and duplicate it as many times as needed to create the base structure for the pattern. When the arrangement of lines is complete, select all of the line objects together. Go back to the menu bar, click Effect, then move to Distort and Transform in the drop-down menu. From the submenu, select Zig Zag. A pop-up settings window will appear on the screen. Make sure to check the preview box so you can see the changes in real time while adjusting the effect. Use the size control and the ridges per segment setting to shape the zigzag style. Enter the amount you prefer until the pattern looks the way you want, then click OK to apply the effect. Your zigzag pattern is now created. Select all of the objects again, right-click on the selection, and choose Group so the pattern stays together while editing. Copy and paste the grouped pattern to expand it into a larger design. For a more interesting result, experiment with different line thicknesses and varied zigzag settings on each line. You can also combine several colors to make the final pattern look more attractive and visually dynamic. Once everything is arranged properly, review the overall composition and make small adjustments wherever necessary to improve balance and spacing. Continue duplicating, resizing, or recoloring the grouped zigzag patterns until the artwork feels ready to export or include in projects.